In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in LibreOffice Impress. Start by launching LibreOffice Impress. If you already have a presentation, go ahead and open it. If not, create a new one so you can follow along. Once your slide is visible, make sure you're clicking on an empty area of the slide, not on a text box or an image. Right-click in that blank space and choose Slide Properties. If you prefer using the menu bar, you can do the same thing by going to the slide menu at the top and selecting Slide Properties from there. Both options open the same dialog, so use whichever feels more natural. In the Slide Properties dialog, switch to the Background tab. Click the Color button to open the palette, then browse the available shades and pick the one that suits your design. When you're happy with your choice, click OK to confirm. Impress will then ask whether you want to apply the background to all slides. Choose No to limit this change to the current slide only. This is especially useful when you want a standout title slide or a different background for a section break without altering the rest of your deck. A quick tip while you're choosing colors: aim for good contrast with your text and graphics so everything stays readable. If something doesn't look right, you can always open Slide Properties again and pick a different color, or use Undo to revert your last change. If your goal is to use the same background across the entire presentation, switch to the Master slide to make a single change that cascades everywhere. Go to View, then Master Slide to enter Master View. While you're in Master View, open Slide Properties again from the Slide menu and repeat the same steps in the Background tab. Click Color, select your preferred shade, and click OK. Setting the color here updates the master, so slides that use this master will adopt the new background automatically, keeping your presentation consistent. When you're finished, close Master View by clicking the Close Master View button in the floating toolbar, or return to your normal editing mode by going to View and choosing Normal. You'll be back to your slides with the new background in place, ready to add content or fine-tune the rest of your design. That's it. Now you know how to change a single slide's background and how to set a consistent background for the entire deck in LibreOffice Impress.